Choose your destination, your rocket. And 3, 2, 1. Choose your whirlpool and relax. Choose your expedition. Choose your next business trip and your presentation. Choose your statement. Choose your next move. And then encore. Choose your world. Choose your ex.
Life is a journey. A journey that suddenly took an unexpected turn. And now, here we are, staying home for weeks. Some of us alone, yet all of us united. And as we all have hope for a better tomorrow, our desire for freedom grows. Soon, we will be wrapped up in each other's arms again, sharing stories, not screens, conquering the courts, winning hearts, and losing ourselves out there again. So let's keep up our desire for freedom, because life's a journey and there's so much joy to come.
Hi everyone, I'm your host, Paolo Abrera. You just witnessed the official unveiling of the new BMW 7 Series in the Philippines. This is the latest iteration of BMW's flagship vehicle, which comes in two variants. The first one is a tightly packaged take on premium mobility that combines the best qualities of a flagship BMW with a value proposition unheard of in its class, the 730i Pure Excellence. The other wildly redefines modern luxury while raising the bar in sustainable driving. Introducing the 745 LE Pure Excellence, BMW's first ever plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or PHEV, in the Philippines. The new 7 Series is truly a testament of BMW's drive to provide the best in road-going luxury and is made for those who drive the world. Now let's get the most important things out of the way first. I'm sure you all want to know how much these stunning cars cost. The 730i Pure Excellence is priced at 5,990,000 pesos, while the 745 LE Pure Excellence retails at 9,590,000 pesos. Let's take a look at the exterior features of both our 730i and 745 LE Pure Excellence. The design refresh at the facade gives the new BMW 7 Series a more powerful visual presence, and it has a more prominent front end with an eye-catching active Airstream kidney grille. Flanking the signature BMW kidney grille is a set of adaptive LED headlights that are standard on the 7. The new design language, dominated by the precise lines and expansive surfaces, really intensifies the authoritative character. Now moving on to the sides. Right away, there is a recognizable difference in the wheelbase of the two cars that we have here. The 745 LE Pure Excellence benefits from a longer wheelbase, allowing even more rear seat legroom and a feeling of airiness in the cabin. While we see a strong shoulder line that resides above the wheel arches, giving off a sculpted appearance. In addition, the 7 includes tastefully applied chrome trim pieces. The 730i Pure Excellence has 18-inch light alloy wheels with run-flat tires, while the 745 LE Pure Excellence has 19-inch light alloy, also with run-flat tires. To add to the comfort of riding the 7, sun protection glazing comes as standard in the 745 LE Pure Excellence. Another mark of luxury from the 7 is the unique lighting signature, which guarantees a grand entrance wherever you go. This is paired with the Comfort Access system and the 2-axle air suspension, together with soft closed doors. Now, when it comes to the rear, we have a striking horizontal LED lighting element and twin exhaust pipes. Form fits function, as the 7 also comes with automatic tailgate operation. Now, I'm sure you'll all agree that these features come together nicely to create one of the most compelling designs that BMW has come up with since the introduction of the 7 43 years ago. Now, I know you guys want to know more about these two fascinating cars from BMW as much as I do. Now, let's find out how BMW designed the 7 as a place of comfort and well-being. Starting off with the 730i Pure Excellence. Sitting here in the driver's seat, you'll immediately feel that the 7 gives off a welcoming vibe. From its leather Dakota upholstery and high-quality trim pieces to the ergonomically laid-out driving controls, the 7 reflects an opulent ambiance. A multitude of ambient lighting colors further enhances the car's lounge-like character, letting you set the mood for any driving occasion. The 730i also features a Harman Kardon surround system together with Apple CarPlay and the BMW Live Cockpit Professional. The 7's instrument cluster and infotainment system runs on BMW Operating System 7, the latest version of the brand's driver-centric interface. Highlights include navigation as standard, along with a 12.3 digital instrument display and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment display. These all make for a seamless and stress-free driving experience. Now, speaking of stress-free, the BMW 730i Pure Excellence also has BMW's latest parking assistance system, which can handle a wide range of parking situations semi-autonomously. Now let's look inside the 745LE Pure Excellence. This plug-in hybrid offers the exclusive leather Nappa upholstery with quilting. This in itself proves the true high-level craftsmanship that goes into every aspect of the 7. Adding to the lounge-like features of the 745LE Pure Excellence is its electrically adjustable comfort seats with massage function, seat heating, and active seat ventilation both for the front and the rear seats. The 745LE Pure Excellence also has extensive ambient light options. And as if this car doesn't pamper you enough, the rear seat entertainment and Harman Kardon surround sound system completes the experience for all the senses. For even more comfortable journeys, this car enables you to stay connected with gesture control. Now, this is all thanks to BMW's Live Cockpit Professional, which runs on the BMW operating system 7 that includes Apple CarPlay, navigation, a 12.3-inch digital instrument display, and 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment display. Of course, there's no better way to describe the unique BMW 7 Series experience than seeing and driving it for yourself. You've seen the outstanding exterior and interior qualities of the 7. We went through some of the unique features of the model's two variants, the 730i and the 745LE, both in Pure Excellence trim. Now, we'll find out why the 7 is widely renowned as the epitome of sheer driving pleasure. There's no question that the 7's performance is a highlight that we wouldn't want to miss. Powering the 730i Pure Excellence is a 2-liter BMW twin-power turbo petrol engine, which generates 265 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. This is paired with an 8-speed Steptronic automatic transmission, which is a standard for the 7 Series, offering optimum performance and efficiency across a wide variety of driving conditions. Now, the 745LE Pure Excellence proudly brings BMW's plug-in hybrid technology for the first time in the Philippines. Powered by a 3-liter 6-cylinder BMW twin-power turbo petrol engine paired with an electric motor, the 745LE offers a combined output of 394 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. With the amount of power that this car has, it is surprisingly comfortable and quiet at the same time. Additionally, improvements to the BMW electric drive technology allow seamless transitions between the petrol engine and the plug-in hybrid battery drive. The 745LE Pure Excellence offers the advantages of authentic BMW driving dynamics along with the sustainability and responsiveness of an electric system. This creates a driving experience that sets the bar in the local premium segment. Now that we've shown you the 730i and the 745LE both in Pure Excellence trim, it's time for you to get behind the wheel on the true seat of luxury. So make sure to contact your nearest BMW dealership and book an exclusive appointment to experience the 7 for yourself. Now, before we end this launch, it's my pleasure to introduce BMW Group Asia's Managing Director, Mr. Christopher Vayner, to deliver a short message.
Thank you, Paolo. Greetings from the BMW showroom in Singapore. We are very proud to present the new BMW 7 Series to you in the Philippines in two variants, the 730i Pure Excellence and the 745LE Pure Excellence. This 7 Series is by far one of the most sophisticated models we've ever built, embodying innovation and luxury. The first generation sold far more than 250,000 cars, and every generation since then has topped the previous one. We are extremely confident the current generation will, once again, be the most successful 7 Series ever. As mentioned earlier, the BMW 745 LE Pure Excellence is one of the models we launched today. I'm extremely excited to say this is the first BMW plug-in hybrid in the Philippines. This is a milestone not only for BMW in the Philippines, but for the entire BMW group, as our electro-offensive is an integral part of the company's strategic direction. Ladies and gentlemen, premium and sustainability go hand in hand. Our mobility, like everything else, is only justified if it supports the future health of our planet. Now, we are living and working in challenging times, and being in the Philippines, I believe you know this better than most. While every day may bring new challenges and opportunities, one thing will remain the same. BMW is here for you. Ladies and gentlemen, your safety and the safety of our team in the Philippines is our #1 priority. We believe the current challenges we are facing will only bring us closer, and I know we will come out of this stronger than ever. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us today.
Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the new BMW 7 Series digital launch, a vehicle made for those who drive the world. This has been your host, Paolo Abrera. Thank you for witnessing yet another exciting launch by BMW in the Philippines. Subscribe to BMW Philippines on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We look forward to seeing you again soon.